Good morning, everybody. Welcome back to Cilinix Crypto. Hope you're all doing great, and welcome to the channel if you're new. And welcome to this new video here on Algorand. Wanted to do a full update here on the coin, what I expect from it, what the current situation is. I wanted to update it in general. You know, we've seen a nice bounce overall. I wouldn't call this, well, it was a nice 19% bounce, so that's great. I would not call Algorand bullish on the lower time frames though, but ultimately I do think we have a chance to break out on the lower time frames and to continue this higher time frame uptrend, because on the higher time frames obviously we are still bullish. So that's what I wanted to talk about earlier today, and that's also why I'm covering some of the older coins today. We actually saw the older coins outperform quite well. So you can, for example, see, if you take a look at this, that XLM is performing quite well, XRP is performing, Cardano, Polkadot, all outperforming Bitcoin over the last, last 4 hours or so. So that's interesting. And then Algorand, which has been one of the strongest here, and in general is one of the most interesting and attractive coins to get into for new retail. Algorand's for structure here is just very bullish. All right, you can see we reacted very well yesterday after the selling pressure to the trend band here around 25 cents, which in general, as you can see, is a very strong support area. We front ran the actual support here, which is another bullish indication. If entries like that get front ran, that means that whales, and that means that big traders do not want to miss the move. So you saw that. You can also see some leverage coming back into the price, and you can see every time we actually gain some leverage, like the way we're doing right now, it turned into a very nice move. So all of that is very promising. Now, if we zoom in here to the lower time frames, what you can see is that the main resistance level, in my opinion, really is around 31 cents. Right? We got up with a bit of a liquidation spike here on Sunday to 33.5 cents, and that's fine. But if we really want to get higher here, 31 cents, that's the main level to break. And the big question today is going to be, well, can we actually break above that? I think ultimately we will, all right? But I guess the main question is, all right, well, can we actually do something like this? So bounce up against that level, break above that today to get up to the next target here, which will most likely be in the high 30s, let's say 40. So can we do that today? Or do we have to pull back into 25, into 26 cents once more, find support there, get a good bounce, and then we will break above that? That's the big question, all right? And we will see today. I can obviously give you a prediction, but I think the most important thing for you to know is to know when we will break out, all right? So right now, what you can see is that the momentum is going up nicely, so I like that a lot. The volume is also up nicely. It's up 75%, whereas the volume for Bitcoin, for example, over the last 24 hours is actually down. So that's great. It's going against the market trend. So just have a price alert at 31 cents. All right. If we're able to get a breakout above that on the 1 hour time frame, and the volume and the momentum are still developing like they are right now, it's a buy. All right. I will personally buy. It looks great if it gets there. So be ready for that, because ultimately I can predict all the things I want. And given the way that older coins are performing right now, I do think it's most likely that we will actually break out today or tomorrow and rally up higher. So I do think this is most likely, but I can be wrong. All right, as long as you keep your eyes on 31 cents here, that's the most important thing. Check the breakout. Is the breakout confirmed? Then we go up higher. Whether that's today, tomorrow, or next week, doesn't matter. All right, wait for the breakout, especially at these levels. I mean, if we actually do get that drop down to 25 cents here, I think 25 cents is a fine area to buy as well. But at the current level, you can better wait for the breakout and have a tighter stop loss than buy it right now in speculation that the breakout is going to happen, if you know what I mean. But those are my thoughts. That's what I think you need to know for now. If you do have any questions, let me know down in the comments. But for now, thank you for watching. Take care and bye.